That's awesome. Talking to
It's
people,
very
trying to
interesting.
document things.
I'm really happy to be a part of this. You are kind of exploring new ways and knowing other people's lives.
Exactly.
It's a very interesting thing to do. It's very creative and
Yes.
innovative.
That's what I used to do. Like for the last 2 years, I used to talk to people. Some prefer privacy. I won't disturb them, but
Yeah.
it's more like that.
Even I have bad days. Sometimes I
Yeah.
just want to sit quiet and
No, even like the previous passenger who I was riding with, they were in a bad mood, so I didn't talk. But
that happens sometimes.
yeah, but there is nothing you
I
can
have
do.
a
The
test
best thing.
and I'm worried about it.
Okay,
So I just want to, recall all my stuff.
correct.
Yeah.
No, the best thing to do always is like just keep yourself calm and be happy. That's it.
Yeah. I hope it works very well for you.
Thank you so
I don't know
much.
how far you've come, but I'm Nupina.
Okay.
I'm preparing for my GRE right now in Bangalore. I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Awesome.
I'm actually from Vizag.
So, what makes you happy, Andy?
What makes me happy? Time with the people I love.
Okay.
With my mom,
Hmm.
who I recently visited. It was amazing. And I
Super.
like to chill out with my friends.
Okay.
And there are a few things I do for fun, just like painting, reading.
Super.
Yeah.
So, according to you, what do you think is really important in life?
Whoa, that is a vast question. It depends on person to person.
Okay.
For
So, what?
someone
Uh,
just going on with their livelihood, for me, the most important thing in life is dignity.
Dignity.
To me, it's more than life. It's not about judging by the judgment by other people.
Okay.
It's about me for my self satisfaction and dignity. Being able to live my life and do what I want. It's like the most important.
Awesome. So, how is your life going?
It's going good. Everything is going as planned, and
Okay.
hopefully I crack my exam well and everything goes
Yes, yes.
good.
I wish you all the best too.
Thank you. I'm just happy it changed. There are so many new interns that are moving into the Bangalore. Like,
Yes.
I made some of few friends and they were asking, is this the Bangalore weather you were talking about? And I had no answer because I was sweating myself. But it's raining, I'm so happy. I'm the happiest person in the Bangalore. It's a Telugu movie in which starring Prabhas, in which they dance when it rains.
Varsham Gada. Yeah.
Paurnami something.
Paurnami. Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
I promised my mom I would do dance if it rains in Bangalore. And
Okay.
it finally rained. I was the happiest person ever.
That's awesome.
I
That's awesome.
sat through the rain the whole time.
Okay.
So yeah.
Even yesterday, like I went home at around 11:30. It was raining heavily. I just kept my phone and everything inside. So I was like just enjoying the rain. వానలోనే అలా తడుచుకుంటూ I just drove.
He's so scared and be so scared like oh my god, maybe did I jinx it? What if it doesn't rain today? Oh, what if it stops raining and stuff?
No, I think
But
it'll rain for the next 1 week.
I mean, I hope Bangalore government takes some initiative to save whatever the rainwater and create some fix and save groundwater.
Yes. No, actually, Bangalore used to have 200 plus lakes inside the city.
Yeah, now it's 17.
It's drained out. It is closed for real estate purposes.
Drained out is a word to cover up whatever the real estate things they are doing.
It is
So
not
I think
drained, yeah.
I just hope it to take some initiative to save up whatever the rainwater is coming. There are no pits.
But there are some good people who are trying to rejuvenate, like bring back the lakes with governments. Yeah, there are a lot of Instagram influencers too.
Influence, they are very good people, but the amount of power they hold in practicality cannot be as same as a actual good politician trying to do something, no?
Yeah, but
I mean, even if a good politician is trying to do somebody somewhere.
correct.
I never imagined my Uber I would turn out to be this interesting?
This is where you want to get dropped, right? This is your location? But thank you, Andy. Really thanks for talking.
I talk so much.
No, it was good actually.